Hey guys, we got a house.
Grow with me or grow with you. Learning things I didn't know in youth. These rough rides turn out so smooth. When I'm going through these same things with you.
And that is, what is that? Closet. And then this is going to be the living room. We're going to paint everything. Of course, we're getting started a little bit. And then you go this way, and this is going to be the guest room. We started painting the closet. All the walls are basically going to be either gray or white. And then right over here is the bathroom. I want a door there, that's why it doesn't have anything right now, but it's cute. And if you go over this way, it's the kitchen, which is basically all gonna get like changed, the countertops, the stove, and all that. And I'm gonna get a little table there. And then here is gonna be the makeup room. It's already painted. We just need to paint that wall, which is gonna be dark gray, but everything else is going to stay white. All right, let's go ahead and go upstairs, which is going to be our bedroom. It is super hot right now because the air is off. So the first thing you see is going to be the bathroom for upstairs, and then we are going to actually put farm door right there, so we can use the bathroom and be kind of like a centerpiece to go upstairs. Not interesting whatsoever, but and then here is going to be basically the room where once we have kids, this is going to be the room. It's going to be the nursery. We are painting this gray as well until, further notice. But yeah, then on the other side is basically our bedroom. We have to hella paint this. And we already got something to take that off and put to the side. But yeah, it's going to be like a dark gray and a light gray as well. I am so excited. All right, let's go ahead and go to the basement so you guys can. I never noticed how out of shape I am until I started cleaning my nose. I was like, damn, I have to do this every day. All right, so this is where we're going to spend most of our time. I'm going to get a door to obviously cover that. I'm going to go ahead and go this way. This is going to be my husband's Funko room. I think we're going with dark gray in here for the walls. It is a very spacious room down here. And then this is going to be like the game room, bar room. Down here, again, it's going to be like a dark gray. And I want a bar like right there. Alright, then we go this way, and this is the downstairs bathroom. This is basically the family area. It's going to be really dark gray as well. And then this is the laundry room, which is actually really big. But yeah, that is pretty much it for a really quick house tour. I really hope you guys enjoy. If you guys want to see more videos from the house, just thumbs up this video and leave a comment down below.